person hasn't even bothered to bring his helmet with him. He's just.
Who dares
That's how you
wins?
know his leadership.
Ah, right.
There we are.
Everybody
I
move
thought
away
they
from the
were.
field. This is Red
Damn,
Dead.
Apparently
I'm
they
black.
just don't glow for what?
Where the fuck are we?
Okay, you should be able to jump to my ping.
Where the fob?
Yeah, I see. Thank you very
really
much for
annoying.
sorting that out, Nikita.
Better?
Oh no, I'm stuck. You're stuck.
Ah, it worked.
Where are we going?
So we have everything up. We have this.
Hello.
Okay.
You got me.
Y'all
You
set
got me.
the.
M2 thing,
See.
that thing.
I'm dead
Y'all
right
put the command jeep
He's
at the
gonna
like
die.
far end of the road, I guess. To
I said
the
Looking for
southwest.
Alright, let's remount into the
Yeah, can
vehicles.
you move the static up here too?
Hey, VS, you AFK?
Yeah, no.
Let's go, bro.
Y'all want to move?
We're sticking with Mark.
I have
The
a
jeep
car
to the
loading on
western
my
edge.
arm at the moment.
Oh yeah. You look fucking blast. Does it even work?
Mark, is the time gonna get reset? Because it was almost daytime. Now we're back at pitch black.
Again, this way.
Oppo, where do you want this jeep?
I don't know if that even
West-
does anything.
western
I doubt
side.
it does anything, to be honest.
Okay, so we are heading.
Okay, well, just because
We're
it doesn't mean Conrad wills it.
we're heading south.
Yeah, it's hopefully not. We hopefully don't have to do that.
Let's throw them on that.
Let's go, guys. South. What did you say?
Alright, Mark, I have enough
Okay.
18 in there to blow up.
Okay. Alright, green team to take control.
Green
Everybody
team
start
east?
digging trenches and shit. This is Green's Road.
Got it. I need a partner. But I need more of a.
You know, I'm into that.
Wild. Yeah, this one no, but this yes.
This whole wood is full of shitty spots to hold.
I mean, we were supposed to hold the south. I don't know where we're doing east now.
Okay. Cool person, when you're set up there, can you send the pioneer to my position to put some stuff in as well?
Yep.
And make sure you put some anti-tank mines on the road or whatever we got.
That's very close.
Mark, where do you want these AT mines and AP mines?
Go to Green's position first. Think about it, make sure it's up. No, take it all, come back. This way.
Up the sniper. Up the sniper.
Situation as a Polish person have anything to do with that?
Your neighbors.
Because
No, no, no.
because Polish
Slovakia,
people.
that's my neighbors, you
Listen,
dumbass.
I know, I know. I went to Slovenia.
Because Poland. Listen,
I think he was asking because. Anyways, your pack, you're no longer. Let's see. Candy's house.
Yeah,
No,
okay,
this
come
house is not available.
Right,
No
Garrett,
way.
Green
Where's
team is supposed to be over where green team is.
Where the fuck is Intermas van?
Okay. I don't know where the fuck they are. I've been here in the order.
Yeah, can you shift
Follow
some
me.
of them around?
It's okay.
People have
I know where they
noticed
are. You stick. It's alright. This is
Where should this?
Yeah.
You're gonna boo
I
boo.
blocked all the road
You're gonna boo boo.
so
Yes, you do. Packing you. The move. Packing you. 10 seconds.
Yep. Are you gonna make it home to my
Yes, it was just the right move on your leg. You're good to go. Don't die. We need you. Killing tanks. No. Just 6? Yeah. Let's see how much blood you need. Give me a second.
He's still in the
What's the gift? I can't see.
He's wait. He's fully dead. He's ragdolled.
He's
He's
not
not
ragdolled.
ragdolled. His thing is on the
Go
fucking-
ask
his
yeah.
head.
Intimus, type in chat if you're still alive.
Ground game.
Intermas, if
Stay
you
with
type
me
in
for a
chat,
little
you're
bit.
gay.
You're getting ketamine.
Yeah, we need to join it up with those others. Yeah.
What happened?
Can you check pulse again?
Nah,
I don't
only
think
Fanta
never mind, it's
makes
not
you
better
see
than gay.
colors. Ketamine is the good version.
So
That
he
gives
has
you
no
see
heart
colors.
rate, but he's not cold.
It does almost the same thing.
He's not typing anything.
So,
Yeah, he's dead.
okay, yeah,
Yeah,
you're
he's
no
probably
longer in
dead,
pain. I'm taking
otherwise.
the
I
IV back and you're good to go.
Alice, no,
When
stop
you're
fucking
back on
digging
yellow
graves.
blood, tell me and I'll pack
Am I
you, okay?
fucking
Oh.
dead, am I now? You know I can't type when I'm fucking I laying it down, yeah? almost took a direct.
Intermas, you can't type in chat when you're down.
I'm trying,
Press
I can't.
escape.
That's okay.
Press escape and then
Motherfucker, why
open
you
chat.
angry? Okay, how the fuck am I
Calm
supposed to know
down.
that?
I'm
I
going to
didn't know
fucking
that.
shoot you.
Do it!
So
I dare you.
basically we got a hole from your road to where the other
Do
road
it.
starts.
Stop. Could you
Do it.
retard stop firing until you actually see the enemy?
If it makes you
Intermas, you
happy,
can't
Spartan.
fucking type in chat when you are dead.
I don't know that, bro, that I had.
Also, that's where the green team is at.
Couldn't you guys check my reaction if I'm cold and motionless? Hey, Failing. You could have just done that.
No, it doesn't work always.
Mark in the past, did you sustain injuries or not?
Hang on a
Yeah.
second, it's only a...
You didn't get
Go
injured,
to
right?
the blue team.
Oh, fuck it. I
It should be
I-
RJ's
I-
the blue team.
You have DLC? Okay, where do you want to
need a big bunker.
I don't know. You put it somewhere.
There's like,
We're
there's like
moving
no...
somewhere else now? Come on, move it, let's go.
Jesus, that's not what I told you to hold. I told you to hold.
You only got to find make it cool.
If anyone's got the torches on, we'll show them so far up their asses.
He's just come back. What's up? Once you're done, we are
Knock your torch off or I'll shove it up your ass. Thank you.
Go ask him where he wants it.
Hey, who wants the bunker?
Rob. Just anywhere with good anywhere with good line of sight. Yeah, see if you can get Night Phalanx, do y'all think we need illumination rounds or
Right there. That would be a great spot for you.
you're awake? Near the respawn truck is the direction they have to go if they spawn on the ambulance. Or just go fucking east. It's unfair.
I'm not setting up any more mines.
This helps so much, oh my goodness. That's a lot of fire. Night phalanx status.
This is Night. We're just taking contact, but we're okay at the moment.
Copy. I did not mean to climb over.
Yeah, I think we can.
Hey VS, you got spare mags from me, right? Thank you. Just keep an eye, maybe southeast. Just now and again, it just enemy tank front. It's a Stuka. Stuka east. Yeah, baby. alive. Yeah, it's just Luca right in front of us. You have any AT?
Yeah, I wish I did.
We're gonna have to maybe run back and tell them. Let's get past us now.
Yeah, in 5 seconds. He's attacking me in 5 minutes.
Hey, does this take a lot?
Surrender now.
You're good to go.
That's one way to deal with him.
I want you to know, Naked, there's friendlies in that trench that you just set on fire. There's 2 people down right there. You might want to help them.
I don't think it's still alive.
No, they're still alive. I'm looking at them.
Frag out.
I've got 1 shot.
Naked boss, you need to move. That tank's too good.
Ah, they fucking threw a fucking grenade back.
Obama, I need you over here by the tank, where the tank is, just be down.
Talon negative down.
I want you guys to know there's still 2 Oh, that's why no one's trying to help the 2 people in front of the trench. That's a good reason.
I'll keep y'all covered. Just get them. See if we can get them up.
Pushing TXA on Naked.
Yeah, I'll finish the bandage I'm doing now.
Wait, where's my IOs, man? Why can I put... Oh, because I was...
Look at our kids.
I'm stitching everything. Gonna take care of the last game. That's the one, the monster dedicated.
Yep. Naked, once you get up, don't move, okay?
Yeah.
Counting that you have no
You're not getting tagged. Yeah.
There we go.
Nobody else needs help?
Night? Okay. Then you can go over to night. actually, no.
Well,
this is
he's
not
night, so yeah.
Yeah. So,
I just have a revolver because I can't pick up my machine gun again because I don't have the DLC.
Oh, okay. Well, that's great. There's a dead body. If someone dies, you grab their body. Yeah.
No, it's also
I don't know.
I can't pick it up.
I'll put a screen in here in a second.
I just need to get in touch with the admin and I don't know.
Type in chat and then press Y. Yep.
No, I know how to ping, but
Thank
like
you.
he's not answering.
Let me just remove
Unfortunate.
Okay, then just wait. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then let me.
Hey, I'll put a
These trees are like
Hey, if
solid
you take
objects.
something out of your bag, I'll put the
I think someone
splints
has
in
a
there.
flamethrower and the
Yeah, give me a
trees just like
second.
are solid walls.
Yeah, drop it in the ground. I
Marcus,
put
no
it in my
longer.
bag. In my chest. So yeah, it has space. Thank you.
There, I got three. I got three and I got you.
Behind the building. Get out my way. Stand fire position within the red box.
Drive up on him.
Ow. Kai's licking me. Ow.
That's a fucking Panzer next to me.
Okay, I'm tourniqueting his right arm.
Yeah, just move it. Let's just place off.
Yeah. Okay, Gypsy. Let's go Gypsy. Fuckery. Let's encourage you to close. I'm working on him. I'm Gypsy. She should be fine. Is it? It's a body. Yeah, we like not shit off.
There we go. He's starting to work through now. How much do you take?
Start removing tourniquets.
He needs a rest in his blood. I'll push 1,000. You also push 1,000.
Alright, we're falling back, right? So we need to pull back.
Be advised, night medic. Yep. I just gotta work on night medic real quick. Okay, hang on a sec. Am I good to leave you with him for a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'll have to. My bad, I left night medic.
Optic, I'm going to transport you towards a safer place. Counting that you are stabilized, even though you are losing a lot of blood, you are getting some fun. You are not
I am aware I've just woken up.
You have to get out.
They're getting. Turn off the fucking flashlight. I'm going to murder you. Oh, he just fucking died. I'm removing fucking IDs. Jorman. I'm removing IDs. I know he's dead. Yes, you got a fucking machine gun. Where are you going for? Tell me.
Nope, I couldn't get inside there anymore.
Ah. Seems to me that VS, you have gone down. My god.
Why are you naked, sir?
I'm just trying to find my body.
Optic.
Yeah.
I'm set to inform you, but on your body there is a Panzer IV, and it's behind that shed. You see it?
That's
It's
great.
laying over there, right
Yep,
there.
Thank you. We're getting shot from behind.
It's not a big deal. Oh fuck. That's not great. Optic, go grab your medical out, but
Yep.
I'll say. Okay, TXA. Everyone loves TXA, right? VNS? I guess I'll call you Windows. Because... Fucking hell. Welcome back to Vietnam, what can I say? We have a lot of problems, VNS. What the fuck you mean too distant? I didn't even change my position.
Oh, chopper. Okay, good. Good to have you back, I guess. Jesus Christ, where's my fucking body, bro?
What the hell's going on over here?
I was trying to get back my body and this guy came here to see something.
What? I can't hear your amount of fucking gunshots.
This tank is alive. Trapper, get away, get away. This tank is alive.
I've given you two a new chance at life. I suggest you use it.
Jaeger, I'm pretty sure because of you I
WS, you good? Or Grant?
It's a Panzer. All away.
Where's the rest of our squad?
They proceeded what you did. We just didn't know. Enemy over there. Enemy over there. Shoot it.
Same use. I'm glad you said it.
Oh, ball on. I've just sent my pioneers.
Sir, my commanding officer's dead. What the fuck do we do?
I got engineers trying to blow the bridge. Position
Wait,
yourself.
Wait, we're blowing the bridge?
Yes, I have been told to blow the bridge. I want gather as many men as you can. I want them to guard the southwestern.
Hey, Knight, do you have any other casualties that need to be dealt with or no?
Okay, Rose is gonna rotate
But that is at the moment, Mark. If you want to shoot in the leg, you can.
and then 2 in the western building. 3 now and 2 people along the central trenches and 2 in the eastern building.
YSL, pack you. Oh, no, I'm gonna stitch you first.
Shoots me, I just had a dude run up
Good person.
salute me like 3 times.
I got extra ammo for you.
10 seconds.
No, yeah, that's good.
Give him a break.
But yeah, I'm gonna have to.
If you just want to chuck yourself anywhere along this general front line being built up, that's fine.
I know.
There you go, buddy.
Yeah. Not salute. That's why I did it.
Uptake.
Is this a truck?
That is a truck, yes.
No, like a Knight's truck. No, is it ours or no?
2 in that building and then 4 along
Okay,
this trench.
I'll pack you right,
Reinforce
10
wherever you think
seconds.
is appropriate.
Okay. Hang on a sec. I'm gonna pack you 10 seconds. Double. There you go.
Okay, green team, I want you to get.
You what? Oh shit, Mark's down.
I'm back up. That was odd, that was the worst time.
Right. Yeah, I want you to the.
Okay, I think Zeus
north.
healed us all. Yeah, we're fine. I'll be fun. Yeah, I think everyone's got
I think the anti-tank gun just got out.
Okay, we've got the trench line to end with.
The house to the northwest, and some other guys will see on the train. Okay.
Have you anyone with spearhead? It's got a 50,000 spearhead.
I do.
No.
Rifles on their spearhead, so they can use it if you want them to.
Yeah, if he's there.
Walking back, we've set up a trench line facing east up the main road. We've got some people in the buildings as well.
Vehicle straight.
Hey. Oh shit, there's a thing.
Hey.
Oh, that's a lot of tanks.
Oh, that's a lot of tanks.
Oh my god.
Somebody please check on the engineers.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
I'm stuck.
It's down,
I'm stuck.
Backing up.
Like I'm stuck. I can't move, man. I can't. Fuck, West
Have
is dead.
all units start pulling back to the bridge. Okay, start falling back to it.
Got it. I had had to pick up the AT because it was so desperate.
Oh dear.
Oh god damn it, Cal's down. Fuck happened to this guy?
Hello, Obama.
Oh yeah, I don't think he's savable in
Hey,
any
Obama.
condition. Yes, hello.
I am back.
Yeah, they.
About that.
Oh my god, Cal, hang a sec, load him into there, we're leaving. Oh, hang a sec, can we actually drive this?
No, I'm not okay. Fucking shoot the enemy.
Hang this there. Oddball. Actually, never mind.
Fall back to the opposite side of the bridge.
Wait, let me medic you, Oddball.
Hang a sec, let me load him in here,
Yeah, I need to get the AT gun. Get in the back.
Yeah.
This thing is like holding on, like, poorly.
Okay,
I need someone
yep,
to medic
Cal.
me if they're in the passenger seat.
Yeah, I am.
Thank you. I get you to this. Aha! Right, stay to that, please.
Can I get in, please?
Get in! I told you to get in! Now get in the fucking truck!
I said I was getting Cal.
Cal's back at base!
Yeah, I know, but
Yeah,
he
well,
was
Wes,
alive
tell
while I was grabbing
tell
him.
yeah, I guess. Please.
Oh, Jaeger is losing. Oh.
No, please bring a tank. Tell him to bring a tank,
Oh,
fucking
God.
tank destroyer. Get something with the biggest gun you can find!
Oddball,
Copy, I am
suspect
limp.
you're on lost large amount of blood.
Tell Knight I am limping across with a damaged truck and an AT gun. But I'm also
where am
going
I?
grayscale.
Oh, you're going Grease?
Hello, Oddball. Oh, that's not good.
Yeah, I'll start
everyone in
pushing
here doing?
blood into you.
Oh yeah, he has lost a lot of blood.
Listen, Obama, push in blood into
Yep.
the arms. I will push in blood into the body. It will be faster. I did test
Yep.
it.
Okay. Did he go down?
Oh fuck!
No.
No, okay.
Are you getting back in?
No. I'm
think he's
faster
not.
on foot and I see some enemies up here.
There we go.
Okay,
Okay.
this should be enough.
Yeah, I'm gonna start working on the guys and I'm gonna start working on Wes and back.
He's on that fact.
Yeah, I know, but he still needs a medic. He still needs medical. Oh!
I'm getting.
Oh god.
the fuck do I keep dying? Fucking wankers. What the fuck was that?
Yeah, Vas, where are we impacting right now? Listen, stop, there is a yacht bunker there.
Where?
There's a yacht bunker there. On the bridge.
Oh, this
It was a mistake.
Where's it? Is it still live? Is that thing still alive?
I don't know.
Am I hallucinating? You see them moving there as well?
Nothing. Fuck.
I got back up. Yeah. Now trying to have more people. Okay. Him dropping the pizza and you drop him. Okay, Dexter, and he's in the car.
We only have 4 seats, so I have to make more trips.
Hello.
Yo. I'll take you drive.
So,
We only have 4 seats.
What is this?
yeah, we gotta leave. It's like untenable. We gotta go back across the bridge.
Injured.
Yeah, load him up.
Hey,
And
this is
then we're
news
moving.
to everybody. I regret to inform you the bridge has been
Can I
blocked.
take this flamethrower?
Oh.
Guys,
Oh.
Leave.
There's another bridge.
Yeah,
There's
fucking
another
hell.
bridge.
We gotta go.
There's another bridge on the other side. So, yeah, this one, yes, not the other one. Okay, take the other seat. Come on, somebody get in the car. One more. Wait. Okay,
Yeah, hold
we'll
up.
go then.
Oh,
Go to the other bridge.
Yes.
Go to the
push. We get them cherries.
No, you guys.
Over there and over there.
Nade. Shit! Fuck! Move! I got him good with that nade. Nade!
I'm burning. Behind us.
I regret to inform you, fellas, you didn't cross the bridge in time.
Hey.
Yeah.
Our situation. I think we're the only one left here.
Yep, we are.
Fuck. Where are we supposed to go?
Crossing the
Which
bridge.
direction? Across the bridge?
Yeah.
Then why the fuck are we here?
Well, I don't know. At this point, I just want to save this guy and rolling with it.
You need help with him? He gonna survive?
I think so. We have heart rate. He should wake up.
He's in pain.
Yeah, he's fine.
I don't know. I don't know from where the shooting is coming from. Did he go